All right, let's eat. Everything is on brand. Do you talk? Someone took a Waymo to get to the Tesla diner. The bathroom is pretty insane. So look at this window. It's supposed to look like the inside of the Dragon capsule. The Tesla diner is a one-of-a-kind supercharging experience. First movie they're showing, we have Dakota Fanning as a little girl, Tom Cruise, War of the Worlds.
Get in, Manny, or you're gonna die. Okay.
Who remembers that movie? 8 years ago, Elon Musk tweeted out that he was going to be building a Tesla diner during one of his late night tweet storms. Here we are almost 8 years later, and it is here opening day with almost zero notice. Not only is it the world's largest urban supercharging hub, but it's the only one with a nod to the 1950s drive-ins with a futuristic EV twist. We're probably crazy because we found out yesterday that the Tesla diner was going to be opening today. We booked flights, booked hotel, and booked a Tesla, of course, to be able to bring you guys there and experience it today. Now, I have some crazy ideas of things that I want to do. It is a 24-hour diner, so should we stay 24 hours in the diner? All right, we're gonna show up right at 4:23. I hear it opens at 4:20. The diner features Tesla's fastest and most advanced V4 chargers. They have longer cables and integrated magic docks that allow for non-Tesla EVs to charge here as well. So take a look at these giant screens behind me. There's one here, there's one over there. They're actually 45 feet long. So to put that into perspective, that's like an NBA court. That's half court. From the hoop to half court right there. And look at the people who live right over here. They got a full view of everything. Do you think that they can tune in and watch a movie from up there? They got the best view. And you don't even have to have an EV to come here. It's open 24/7 and serves 23 different food items with all-day breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and 15 unique drinks as well. This is it, the turn, it's right over here. That's it. It just opened, okay. I'm so excited. How does this work? Wherever. Look at this, wherever I want to go. I think I'm gonna back in right here. We made it! All right, here we go.
You guys pulled in to charge?
Yeah.
People have been in line for hours. Charging's the way to get in.
Apparently.
Uh-huh.
Charging worked, but look at this. She just pulled up with ice cream on roller skates for everyone waiting in line. Like, how cool is that?
It's delicious.
It's delicious?
Yeah.
All right, and it has cyber spoons, so
So I got some intel from somebody who was going by that works here. They said within a 20-mile radius, you should get something that pops up on your center screen that kind of tells you, hey, do you want to dine at the Tesla diner? It wasn't happening for us. I don't think for a lot of people it's quite active yet. But they did say the movies actually stopped, or at least these 15-minute showings stopped at 9 p.m. And from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., it becomes a 1-2-hour feature film that goes until 11. That actually shuts off at 11. These screens shut off at 11. But because of these apartments, they've been able to only do this if the screens go off at 11 p.m.
So check this out. This tiny USB drive supercharges your existing Tesla dash cam and gets you so much more out of your Tesla without having to add cameras or complicated installs. That's why I love that Matter reached out to me to sponsor today's video. This is their key USB device that sits out of the way inside your Tesla glove box and tags incidents like harsh braking, forward collision warnings, FSD disengagements, and separates and tags them, and even maps their actual location so it's much easier finding the footage. So you get your surround camera footage from your Tesla's built-in cameras, but it's intelligently tagged and organized, and you have your actual driving route to see exactly when and where things happened. And if you have one of the newer models with hardware 4, you actually get near 3K resolution out of your Tesla cam versus the older models that have the compressed down to 720p. It works on all Teslas and supports both Android and iOS, and you even have cloud backup where it can automatically back up crucial footage, including AI detected events, to Google Drive and or Dropbox. You can even earn rewards while driving for Matter's extension partners, including Demo. Check out the link in the description below, and remember, when you use our links, you're also helping to support this channel. All right, let's get back to the video. After about 90 minutes of waiting in line, and the line quickly growing well into the sidewalk, we made our way inside.
So you see all of our most popular items. We've got breakfast served all day, and we have awesome desserts.
Look at the lightning bolt on the iced tea.
Oh, Easter egg?
Yeah, there's some like good options on here. Now, it didn't take long to realize Elon Musk's genius marketing at work here. News stations set up to go live, and hundreds lining the sidewalks in an area with very high visibility and traffic. Thank you so much.
Condiments on this side.
All right, let's eat. had to grab some of the silverware because it's all actually Cybertruck themed silverware. There it is. All of it even has the logos on it. The cups have the little charger on it. Everything is like on brand. I love it. So let's dig in. We're hungry. It's been a long day. Gotta get my hat on. I mean, they say win in Vegas, but win at the Tesla Diner. Wear a Cybertruck hat.
The Cybertruck cap top. And then it is a smash burger at its finest. It doesn't come with fries, but everything on it here, you got sauteed onions, cheese, lettuce, and the electric sauce, as it's known.
First bite.
First bite. Crunchy, it's good. It's really good. Feels more gourmet than McDonald's or Burger King for sure.
We're in line for Optimus to get our popcorn. He's not the fastest worker. I hear he's sort of mechanical. He goes about 6 hours on a charge and then he quits at 11 p.m. and he just goes strong all day long. No word on if he has NACS plug up his, you know what. Hi, do you talk? I'm testing you. I guess there's no talking. It's a one-way conversation. He's very shaky. Thank you. Oh, peace. Popcorn's not good. There's like no salt, no butter, like no flavor. Yeah, it's healthy. Check it out, there's the Hollywood sign. The bathroom is pretty insane. So look at this window. It's supposed to look like the inside of the Dragon capsule. There's a little Cybertruck right over there. There's the whole vibe of it. It's just that cool modern aesthetic. And even the toilets right here, they're Toto. I love that. Nice quality toilets, what every girl needs. As you walk up the stairs, you get to see the evolution of Optimus. This is the Gen 2 version. We have Gen 1 right here. And here is Bumblebee, who started it all. This was the prototype for Optimus back in 2022. But I remember before this, there was just a guy in a suit dancing around. The Tesla Diner also had some exclusive merch, like a Diner neon light, a Tesla bot action figure, and supercharged gummies. So I had to grab a few things for the kids. All right, I don't know, did I overdo it? It's almost 8 p.m. People are still coming in to charge their cars, to eat here, check it out. Most of the people are here for it. They're down, they want to see it, they love Tesla. And I hear that these are going to be like popping up in all kinds of cities. So it really is going to be like that Hard Rock Cafe style experience. But there's also this whole area over here to charge your car. We have solar power awnings and there's tons of parking over here. They're V4 chargers, which is the newest, fastest charger that you can get. And it's also great if you are a non-Tesla driver because you can charge at V4. We have the conduits over here. We have the solar powered recycle and trash. But overall, this area is slightly sketch. You can see that there is some barbed wire over here. You can hear some sirens actually coming by right now. The area is going through a transition. It's kind of industrial over here. There's some nice apartments on this side. The barbed wire, the sirens. That's kind of LA for you right now. I'm definitely seeing some of the craziest Teslas I've ever seen before. Look at this one over here. Look at it spells out Tesla. It's like bedazzled. A little while later, the menu automatically populated in our car and you can place an order and have someone bring the meal out to you. Look at this, there's a little hamburger down here. I would say the prices are kind of steep, but maybe that's like LA prices. And while the movie showed up on our center screen, we weren't able to play it through our speakers. This would be the perfect view to be able to watch the movie, which is War of the Worlds, but the audio is not working. It's not syncing up. Also, I ordered a drink from the car, from the menu in here, and I thought they were going to be bringing it out to my car, but it looks like I do need to go inside and grab that order. I thought they were going to be bringing them out to me on roller skates, so I don't know what's going on with that. Hopefully it starts working better in a couple of days. Today is day one. And something else that I want to say is that not all the cars have a view of the two different screens right here. Now, right when you go in, this whole row can see this screen, and that row over there can see the screen above me, but really That's it, unless you're inside the diner. If you're coming to the diner, I definitely think coming at night is the way to do it because it looks so different with the lights, the glow, the big screens, being able to pull up and watch a movie inside your car, have that kind of old school vibe. I've never been able to bring my kids to a drive-in theater, and this is where you can go experience that inside of your car, inside of your EV, or just get a meal and watch a movie outside. I love that they've done this. They've kind of brought everything together, and I think you guys will like it too. Let me know in the comments where you think they should build the next Tesla diner. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you next time. Look at the trash can. I feel like there's so many kids that would want this right now. Just like, I'm saving mine. I'm taking it home. I have some presents. Would the drone replace you as the camera guy? I don't know what I'm more impressed by. So the Cybertruck is right here and the trash is right here. And I think they kind of should have gone with it and made the trash actually look like a Cybertruck. Leaned into that.